Good morning, and it's Monday. It's the first day of the week, and I have online classes from 9 to 2:30. Hope you enjoy my week. Two classes today, 2 hours break in between, so I have to eat something in the break. So I am preparing my chicken. So this is what I'm gonna take. I'm feeling too lazy today, so I didn't cook anything. So I'm just saving this. My bag. Just gotta carry it. And see you guys. Like heading out now. It's windy. I'm going towards the bus station. So this is where I usually shop, and this is the bus station. I'm going towards my bus stop. It's 7 p.m. right now. I forgot to record the video this morning because I was too busy and caught up in all the group works and presentation and stuff like that. I only had one class today and I came back home at 12 in the morning, but I had group meetings and group work. I still have one group meeting left and it's 7 p.m. 6 o'clock, I'm about to reach home. Hi guys, it's Friday and I don't have any classes today, so I'm going to my friend's apartment. We have some group works to complete. Very windy here. Yeah.
Okay, hello. Okay, I mean, it'll be fun watching this video. होइन पछि 10-25 वर्षपछि हेर्न मजा आउँछ नि